amazing answer by an IIT student. When I was doing my BTech, there was a professor who used to teach us mechanics. His lectures used to be very interesting since he had an interesting way to teach and explain the concepts. One day in the class, he asked the following questions. Number 1. What is 0? Number 2. What is infinity? Number 3. Can 0 and infinity be same? We all thought that we knew the answers and we replied as following. 0 means nothing. Infinity means a number greater than any countable number. 0 and infinity are opposite and they can never be same. He countered us by first talking about infinity and asked, how can there be any number which is greater than any countable number? We had no answers. He then explained the concept of infinity in a very interesting way, which I remember even after more than 35 years. He said that imagine that there is an illiterate shepherd who can count only up to 20. Now, if the number of sheep he has less than 20 and you ask him how many sheep he has, he can tell you the precise number like 3, 5, 14, etc. However, if the number is more than 20, he is likely to say too many. He then explained that in science, infinity means too many and not uncountable. And in the same way, 0 means too few and not nothing. As an example, he said that if we take the diameter of the earth as compared to distance between earth and the sun, the diameter of earth can be said to be 0 since it is too small. However, when we compare the same diameter of earth with the size of a grain, diameter of earth can be said to be infinite. Hence, he concluded that the same thing can be 0 and infinite at the same time, depending on the context or your matrix of comparison. The relationship between richness and poverty is similar to the relationship between infinity and 0. It all depends on the scale of comparison with your wants. If your income is more than your wants, you are rich. If your wants are more than your income, you are poor. I consider myself rich because my wants are far less than my income. I have become rich not so much by acquiring lots of money, but by progressively reducing my wants. If you can reduce your wants, you too can become rich at this very moment. May your lives get rich by good thoughts, good deeds, good people around you always. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in the next video.